Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever wondered how to get a lipstick that balances rich color with comfort, you're going to want to stick around. Today we're exploring MAC's Cximal Sleek Satin Lipstick in the shade Brave, a pink beige with a subtle white pearl that promises full coverage color in a sleek satin finish. Right out of the tube, this lipstick feels smooth and luxuriously creamy. MAC describes it as hydrating for up to 8 hours. And with a 0.12 ounce full-size bullet, it's designed to give you that bold, pigmented look without feeling heavy or drying on the lips. The satin finish aims to hit that perfect middle ground between matte and glossy, rich in color but still wearable and comfortable. I've been testing Brave for a few days in different scenarios, from my morning meetings to evening dinners, and what immediately stood out is how effortlessly it glides. Unlike some highly pigmented lipsticks that tug or require layering, this formula spreads evenly and gives that opaque color in a single swipe. The white pearl in the shade adds a subtle dimension, so it's not flat. It catches the light beautifully without looking frosty or metallic. One thing I really appreciated is the hydration factor. My lips stayed comfortable and smooth for several hours, which is impressive for a full coverage shade. However, while it lasts well, it isn't completely transfer-proof, so a touch-up might be necessary after eating or drinking. The classic MAC packaging feels sturdy and chic, and the sleek satin finish makes it easy to apply even without a lip brush. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, we have excellent pigmentation, smooth application, hydrating formula, and a versatile shade that works well for both everyday and more polished looks. On the downside, it's not entirely long wear if you're eating, and the price is on the higher side compared to drugstore satin lipsticks, though the quality and brand reputation are strong. Speaking of value, MAC products are generally considered a good investment if you prioritize long-lasting, highly pigmented shades with a comfortable formula. Compared to similar satin finish lipsticks from other premium brands, MAC holds its own in terms of texture, color payoff, and reliability. If you're looking for a slightly more budget-friendly option, some mid-range brands offer satin lipsticks with comparable hydration and pigmentation, though the shade selection might not be as extensive or nuanced as MAC's. Overall, Brave is a sophisticated, wearable pink beige that delivers both comfort and impact. I'd recommend it for anyone who wants a reliable satin lipstick that doesn't compromise on hydration or color intensity. It's ideal for office wear, casual outings, or even evening looks where you want subtle shine without gloss. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've tried Brave or another shade from the Cximal Satin range, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. You'll find the purchase link in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.